Hi everyone, here we've got SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the wallpaper option. Right now we can decide where we want to set the wallpaper, so we can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will pick both options, so just tap on it. And here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from Live Wallpapers, Google Photos, or Xperia Wallpapers. I will pick this option, and as you can see here, we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose. All you have to do is simply tap on the one you would like to set, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on Set Wallpaper. As you can see, we just got back to the very first page of the wallpaper, but after getting back to the home page, you can see that the wallpaper has been immediately applied. Let's check the lock screen also, and the same situation, it is visible right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your SONY Xperia C5 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.